Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to register on CEX IO application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the CEX IO application. Then when you open it, you'll have these options. So you're all in one crypto app. You can go and create your own account, or go and create it with Google or Apple, or if you don't have an account, of course, you can already have an account, you can go and sign in. But for, of course, creating an account, we have to click on create your account. Then here, you just need to go and put in your email. After that, click continue, put in your own password, and again, click continue. Here you need to put the country of your residence, so which country you're from. Then agree to the terms, click continue. Wait for it to, of course, load. Now you have to, of course, do these things so they know that you're not a robot. Put all of these. Now you have, of course, to do it. It's a bit hard in some points, but you'll be able to do it, of course, in no time, in just a moment. And here it is. Now you have to, of course, go and check out the confirmation code, which you will get on your email address. So I'll be going to on my email address on my computer. So you just need to go to the email address. You will get an email with the confirmation code, which you just need to go and copy or, of course, type in here. So I got it now, and just go and click the code. So or you can go and click on confirm email on your email, and it will automatically go and create your account. And now it is of course created. The confirmation code, I click on continue, so it is basically made for me. So that's how you can do it, guys. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.